Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate, and today I want to talk about the number one thing you can do to get top dollar in today's market. Yep, the number one thing you can do to get top dollar in today's market when selling your home is clean it. Clean, clean, clean. You don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money, but having a clean home makes a huge difference. From the very front of your home, when a buyer drives by to decide if they want to take a look at that home, you need to clean it up. So what does that mean? That means edge, mow, blow, pull the weeds, trim the shrubs, be sure there's no weeds growing in your driveway cracks, clean it up. As a buyer walks up onto the front porch, is it clean up there? Knock down the cobwebs, get the mud, hand fingerprints off of the door, knock down the dirt daubers, anything like that. Clean it up. Make it look like you're coming in and out there on a regular basis. And when you go inside the home, again, have an attention to detail about how clean it is. Maybe you need to hire somebody to do a deep cleaning. Give me a call. I've got somebody that's great. Somebody that'll come in and wipe down all the baseboards. If they're white, they show dirt. So you need to get somebody down there cleaning all the baseboards throughout the house. The window seals, that's another place that gather dirt and dust and dead bugs. Clean that up. Walk around the house in every single room. Look up to the crown molding. Are there cobwebs? Get a swifter, knock them all down. Look at all of your light fixtures and make sure as well there are no cobwebs there. Cleaning goes a long way. When you're inside the house, a clean smell. Think about odors. If you have pets, you maybe need to go ahead and get somebody to come in and clean the carpets. And if the pets lie on any of the couches or anything like that, while the carpet cleaners are there, have them go ahead and clean those pieces of furniture as well. Any bed linens or dog beds, wash those as well to get rid of the odors. A clean house goes a long way in today's market. You don't necessarily have to spend a lot of money. It just needs to be clean. If you have questions about what your home may be worth in today's market, check out my website at shannonr.com and click on the home valuation tool. Now, it may not be exactly accurate, and if you're really serious about selling, give me a call, give my office a call, set up a time for me to come out and do a walkthrough with you. At that time, I can tell you what other things you really need to do to make your house sparkle and get top dollar, but I also will do a detailed net analysis to tell you exactly what you will make on your home and what you'll have to go towards your next purchase. If you have any questions, give me a call. My firm and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We're here to assist you, ready to help you down the smoother road to sold.